Just Easy English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Easy English podcast. I'm Mark.
And I'm Hazel. We're so happy you're here today.
We have a super important topic for all English learners today. We're going to talk about how to introduce ourselves in English.
Yes, this is probably the first thing you need to learn in English, right? When you meet someone new, you want to say something about yourself.
Exactly. And the good news is, it's actually pretty easy. You just need to know a few simple sentences.
So grab your coffee and let's get started.
Okay, Hazel. Let's start with something important. Not all introductions are the same, right?
That's right, Mark. The way you introduce yourself depends on the situation. Are you at a party with friends? Or are you at a job interview?
Good point. So we have two main types of introductions, casual and formal.
Let's talk about casual first. This is when you're meeting friends at a coffee shop or at a party. You want to sound friendly and relaxed.
For example, if I meet you at a party, I might say, "Hey, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. That's super casual and friendly. I might say, "Hi, I'm Hazel. How's it going?"
See? Easy. Now, what about formal situations?
Formal introductions are different. You use them at job interviews, business meetings, or when you meet important clients.
Right. So instead of saying, "Hey," you say, "Hello." And instead of saying you can say, "My name is."
Let me give you an example. In a job interview, I would say, "Hello, my name is Hazel. It's great to meet you."
That sounds professional. And here's a tip for our listeners. Look at the people around you. If they're formal, you should be formal too. If they're casual, you can be more relaxed. All right, now, let's learn the structure of a good self-introduction. There are 5 key parts.
Number 1, greetings. This is how you start the conversation.
You can say, "Hi," "Hello," or even "Good morning" if it's in the morning.
Let's practice, Mark.
Sure. Good afternoon, Hazel.
Good afternoon, Mark. See, listeners, super easy.
Number 2, your name. This is the most important part.
For casual situations, just say, "I am in your name." Like, "I'm Hazel."
For formal situations, say, "My name is," plus your full name. Like, "My name is Mark Anderson."
Let me ask you, Mark, what's your name?
"Hi, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you."
And in a formal way,
"Hello, my name is Mark Anderson. It's a pleasure to meet you."
perfect. Listeners, try this at home. Say your name both ways, casual and formal.
Number 3, what you do. This means your job or what you're studying.
You can say, "I work as I'm a." For example, "I work as a teacher," or "I'm a teacher."
If you're a student, say, "I'm studying." For example, "I'm studying marketing."
Mark, what do you do?
"I'm a podcast host, and I also work as an English teacher." What about you, Hazel?
I work as a content creator. I make videos and podcasts to help people learn English.
Awesome. Number 4, relevant experience. This is optional, but it's good for professional situations.
You can say how long you've been doing your job. For example, "I've been teaching English for 5 years."
Or, "I have worked in marketing for 3 years."
Let's practice. Mark, tell me about your experience.
Sure, I've been teaching English for 7 years, and I love helping students improve their speaking skills.
Great. And I've been creating English content for about 4 years now.
Number 5, a personal touch. This is completely optional, but it makes your introduction more interesting.
You can share a hobby or something you enjoy. For example, "In my free time, I enjoy reading books," or "I love playing guitar."
This helps people remember you and gives them something to talk about.
Okay, Mark, give me a personal touch.
In my free time, I enjoy hiking and taking photos of nature. What about you?
I love cooking and trying new recipes from different countries.
All right, listeners. Now, it's practice time. Let's do some role play.
We'll pretend we're meeting for the first time at a coffee shop. Ready, Mark?
Ready? Hey, I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Mark. I'm Hazel. Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I help people improve their speaking skills. How about you?
Oh, that's cool. I work as a content creator. I make videos about learning English.
Awesome. Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, in my free time, I love cooking. I'm always trying new recipes. What about you?
I enjoy hiking on weekends. It's a great way to relax.
That sounds fun.
See, listeners, that was a casual conversation, very friendly and relaxed.
Now it's your turn. Pause the podcast and practice introducing yourself to a friend. Use the 5 elements we learned.
Now, let's try a formal situation. Imagine we're at a job interview.
Okay, I'll be the interviewer. Ready, Mark?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Mark Anderson. I work as an English teacher, and I've been in education for 7 years.
That's impressive. What's your teaching style?
I focus on making lessons practical and easy to understand. I believe students learn best when they can use English in real-life situations.
Wonderful. Do you have any other interests or skills?
Yes, in my free time, I enjoy photography, which helps me be creative in my teaching approach.
Great. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you for the opportunity. It was great to meet you.
Perfect. Did you notice how different that was from the casual conversation?
Yes, more formal language, complete sentences, and a professional tone.
Listeners, now try this. Imagine you're at a job interview. Introduce yourself formally. Remember, my name is, I work as, I've been, and maybe share something interesting about yourself.
Before we finish, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when introducing themselves.
Mistake number 1, talking too much. Keep it simple. You don't need to tell your whole life story in the first meeting.
Right. Just share the key information, name, what you do, and maybe one interesting thing about yourself.
Mistake number 2, speaking too fast. When you're nervous, you might speak really quickly.
Take your time. Breathe. It's okay to pause between sentences.
Mistake number 3, forgetting to smile. Even though people can't always see you, smiling while you speak makes your voice sound friendlier.
That's so true. And here's a bonus tip. Make eye contact when you introduce yourself. It shows confidence. That's all for today's episode. We hope you found this helpful.
Now it's your turn to practice. Try introducing yourself to someone this week in English, of course.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with your friends who are learning English.
Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Thanks for watching. Now, I recommend you watch the next video too. It will help you to improve your English skills, and you will love it. I promise.
See you in the next episode.